2 years back, I started my video editing journey. I started by editing normal videos for a local video editing agency. He was a top rated seller on Fiverr and used to outsource projects to other editors. And since then, fast forward to 2024, I've worked with tons of clients in my journey and lost many of them as well. Sometimes whenever I lose a client, it does not felt that bad. And sometimes it felt really bad. I became depressed and wanted to quit. At that time, whenever I lose a client, I used to start blaming everything on luck. That I'm not lucky, I lose a client, why it happened to me, and I kept crying about losing a client and just keep blaming others and external factors. At that time, I never focused on the why. Like why I lose a client, what happened, what went wrong that took this client away from me. I never asked these questions from myself. But now, fast forward to 2024, when I look back to analyze my journey, I find that most of the time, whenever I lose a client, everything that happened to me and every client that I lost was because of me. Like I was making these dumb mistakes every time I lose a client. The mistakes which I'm about to share with you in a moment. When I realized that, I started scratching my head, like why I made these dumb mistakes. I felt sad after realizing this, that everything was my fault. Every client that I lose was because of me. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing every mistake that I made that causes me to lose a lot of clients, and I don't want you to make the same mistakes. So let's start a video. So the first mistake that I made that causes me to lose a lot of clients was ignoring the deadlines. You know what? The biggest thing that pisses off your clients is not getting the video on time, especially without any reason. I have made this mistake a lot of time in the past, and now I realize that how crucial are maintaining deadlines and delivering on time. You know what? Missing deadlines can leave a lot of negative impressions on your clients about you. Also, it will decrease your reputation in front of your clients, and if you have a network, it will decrease your reputation there as well. If you're a seller on Fiverr, you know it better than me that how crucial are deadlines. One negative review can ruin your whole profile. So, you need to always maintain deadlines. Try your best to deliver on time and never miss a deadline. If you do this, it will leave a great impression on your clients. They will always come back to you and also recommend you to others. And if you're supposed to miss a deadline due to some reasons, don't just stress out. Just try to update your clients a day or 2 days before the deadline so that they won't get disappointed. Give them the reason that why you can't deliver on time. If you give them a good reason, they will definitely understand. So yeah, always try to update your clients before the deadline if you are not able to deliver on time. Now, the second reason, which is connected to the first one, communication. Good communication is a ticket to success. We all have read it on Facebook, Instagram, and Google, but still we don't communicate well. Most of the time when we lose someone or a client, it is 100% because of the communication gap. We don't communicate with them properly. You know what? In good communication, you have to listen more and talk less. You need to always prioritize other person's thought, perspective, and ideas. You need to understand what your clients wants and needs. What are their requirements? You need to ask them about their ideas, their inspirations, and their goals for the future. If they are your long-term clients, you can ask them about the progress. You can ask something like this: hey, how's the progress so far? What is the performance of the video so far that you have did? This type of little conversations can leave a great impression on your clients about you. They will feel better and you will build good relationship with them, which can lead to long-term collaborations, or maybe your clients recommend you to others because of the client experience you are giving them, or they can increase your pay as well. So yeah, you need to communicate with them. You need to make them feel better. You need to make them feel that you care for them. Now, the third reason, not providing quality. Listen, if you suck at editing, you will lose clients. Period. You know what? In this death race of video editors, if you want to survive, you need to stand out. You need to improve your skills or else you will fail. Most of the time when you lose a client, it is because you don't provide them enough value, or you don't provide the quality they want, or you don't generate the results they want. That's why they keep hunting for better and cheaper editors, and whenever they find someone better and cheaper than you, they will replace you on the spot. They will never think for a second. This is human nature. They are spending their hard-earned money and they want results in return. If you are not generating results for them, why they will work with you? Why they will waste their money on you? Simply, they will start finding someone else who can help them get good results, who can provide them better quality. So, in order to survive, you need to evolve and improve your skills. How can you do that? You can do that by watching tutorials and practicing. You can do that by building your network and building your personal brand. Also, you can do that by improving your sales skills and marketing skills and by providing more services as well. So these were the biggest mistakes that I made in my career that causes me to lose a lot of clients, and I don't want you to make the same mistakes as me. So if you're making these type of mistakes, then start avoiding these mistakes from today and see how quickly it will boost your growth. So if you learn anything new from this video, then make sure to give it a like and also subscribe to get more videos like this. Also, if you want to see my progress and chat with me, then join me on X. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.